Okay, this is attempt number 2 of making an actual rubber tire with a 3D printed mold that I had done in Plasticity software. I've let this one sit for a weekend now, and it seems pretty rigid inside. So we're going to take this off, just the outside tape of these two halves, and let's see what we have come up with here. Just going to slightly move them apart to encourage them to lift. I'm fairly happy with those results. I'm going to try other chemistries as well, but if you're interested in this, I did a full video on how to create these molds. What I'd used this time was a carnauba wax instead of a silicone mold release. It does seem to work a little bit better. And why I'm even doing this is a flexible printed 3D printed wheel, and yeah, it prints fairly well, but that is way too hard, and I'm trying to get the grip of a real tire. Now this was my first attempt, and you can see that it had some pits in it. Wasn't super happy with it, but this is my next one. I'm much happier with it, but I think I can do a little bit better even still. And the next thing I'm going to do, we're going to try to electroplate these rims to make them chrome. If you're interested in that, like and subscribe, or just watch the next video here.